Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will show you how the Google Class feature works on the mobile device. Open the app on your device and tap the Google Class feature. If you're using the app for the first time, you'll be redirected to the authentication screen, else you'll be redirected to the classes home screen. On the classes home screen, you will see all of your classes. Tap the side menu icon here to view other options of Google Class. Now go to the classes screen and tap the plus icon to join a course. Next, enter the class code provided by your teacher and then tap join course. Now let's go back to the classes home screen and check other options on the side menu. Under invitations, you can check the classes you are invited to. Next comes calendar. Here you can check your work in the calendar view. You can also track assignments and questions in the class calendar. Under the to-do screen, you can see assignments and questions across all your classes, and all your completed assignments will be displayed on the Done tab. Tap the Classroom folder option to access the class content. Next, tap Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions to the side menu to view the privacy policy and terms and conditions respectively. Now let's go back to the classes home screen. Tap any of the classes to access the class content. This is the Stream screen. Here you can view all the class activities, including all the recent announcements posted by the teachers or the students. You can also share a post with the class. Tap here and enter the content that you want to share and then tap share. Now let's move to the classwork screen. Here you will see each assignment that's been added by the teacher, which includes assignments, questions, reference materials, and other resources. Tap the icon on the top right of the screen to view your assignment. Now tap the assignment to view the assignment details, the due date, resources needed, and the status of the assignment. You can submit your work done, it's completed. You can also filter your assignments by all assignments, return, and missing. Next, tap People to view your teachers and a list of your classmates. Under the Teachers tab, you can view your teacher and send an email by tapping the mailbox icon here. Similarly, you can view the list of your classmates. Now let's go back to the classes home screen. Go to the Assignment tab, log out to log out of Google Class. If you want, you can also unenroll from the courses by tapping the cross icon here. Similarly, you can go to the other classes and check the Stream and Classroom sections. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.